Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. Today I will quickly explain how to use MetaMask and connect your MetaMask account to some trading platforms such as TraderJoe, XYZ, and NFTtrade.com. Well, let's begin. First of all, we need to use Google Chrome web browser. After we opened Google Chrome web browser, we will type the MetaMask to searching area. The first site is metamask.io. This is the official site of MetaMask application. We will enter this site. After they enter to this site, you can see download button, the right corner. You can download three version of the MetaMask application, which are Chrome, iOS, and Android. Today we will use Chrome add-on. You need to click install MetaMask for Chrome button. After we will redirect to Chrome web store, and in this page we must click the add the Chrome button. After add extension button, a few minutes we will wait. Yeah, as you can see, MetaMask has been added to Chrome. It's automatically open this page. I will refresh this page. Yeah, you can see this fox follow your mouse behaviors. We need to click get started button to explain you to create a new wallet. Then we will click the second button, create a wallet. Yeah, this is some information about the MetaMask. Click the I agree button. Yeah, new password. You can use the easy password to remember. I typed. Click the create button. Yeah, secure your wallet, in which means do you need to secret recovery phase. There are some secret words. You can see the next page. Yeah, after click this button, click this lock button. You can see your secret words. I will hide my secret words, but you can see yours and take a note these words or take a photo of the secret words, because if you don't remember these words, you cannot recover your MetaMask wallet. Yeah, I will take a photo, but you can of course write down some paper and secure the some area which you can trust. Then you will need to click next button, click your secret recovery phase words one after one. I will click mine, but you cannot see because I will hide in this edit. Yeah, I finished the secret phase. After the successful entering, you can see this page. Congratulations, all done. Click all done button. Yeah, close this pop-up. Yeah, mainly you can, as you can see, the Ethereum mainnet added to your MetaMask account, but uh, I want to show you to how to add your Avalanche Network to your MetaMask. You need to type how to add Avalanche to MetaMask. Yeah, support AVAX maybe, but I will use the academy.binance.com site. I will give this address to my video explanation. First of all, you need to click the Ethereum mainnet, add network. As you can see, there are 5 blank you need to fill. You can copy these informations to MetaMask. I will recommend use this number, not use this, but of course you can use the second one. Currency symbol is AVAX. I will not fill this because this is optional. Then you need to click save button. Yeah, right now we have two mainnet, two network, which are Ethereum and Avalanche. Yeah, this is a good step after step. I explained how to install MetaMask account, how to add Avalanche Network, and maybe I can show you to how to deposit and withdrawal processes to MetaMask accounts, and finally connect your wallet to NFT Trade and Trader Joe. We need to type Binance and click the Binance.com. Then click login button. My information is already filled because saved. Then login button. Binance have a two-factor authentication. Because of this, I need to phone verification code. Then one moment, please. After this successful entering your verification codes, the main page of the Binance will appear. As you can see, there are right corner the wallet. Then you need to click overview button. Yeah, I don't have money in this account because I am using a different crypto trader. When you need to deposit some money to your Binance account, you will click the deposit button, or you earn the AVAX and transfer to MetaMask account from some game, some NFT sales. There is some AVAX. You want to transfer this AVAX to your Binance account, and of course you need to click the deposit button, select the crypto deposit. As you can see, there are many of coin. We will type AVAX, Avalanche, click network. This is a very important. You need to choose AVAX C chain. Then after this selection, you can see your Binance.com MetaMask AVAX C chain wallet address. Click to copy this button. For example, you have 5 AVAX. You want to send 5 AVAX to your Binance account. You need to click send button and paste your Binance wallet address to this. Yeah, it's some warning because we don't have any AVAX, and of course we don't have any gas fee for these transactions. If you can enough AVAX for this transaction, then you can click the next button and your AVAX will come to Binance account. The opposite of this transaction, I am getting the main page of MetaMask. You need to withdraw button. For example, you have a 5 AVAX in your Binance account and you want to transfer this AVAX to MetaMask account. You need to click withdraw button. You need to type and select Avalanche. This address means your MetaMask address, which appear here. You cannot see the full of this address, but you can click to this button, copy the clipboard, and you can paste this here. Of course, this is very important, is AVAX C chain. You need to select AVAX C chain. You will type this amount of your Binance AVAX, and then you will click the withdraw button. This is a withdraw and deposit processes from Binance to MetaMask, from MetaMask to Binance. Final step is connect your MetaMask account to some trading platform which you can use to buy and sell your NFTs or some play to earn games. First of all, we need to type NFT trade. NFT trade is a very common site for the buying and selling some NFTs. After you click this site, automatically MetaMask account synchronization page will appear, and only you need to click next button, click connect button, then everything is done. As you can see, your MetaMask account, which ends with D7C2, D7C2, is connected to NFT trades. As same as NFT trades, you can type Trader Joe after. This is our site, traderjoexyz.com. After click this Trader Joe site, you need to click connect the wallet button, select the MetaMask. You can see there are different type of wallet MetaMask, and click next button, click connect button, and same, the process is done. The 7C2 is connected. Thank you for watching, guys. Please subscribe my channel and have a nice day.